Well, these omelets this morning have been coming out so good, I thought I'd make a video. Okay, ready? It's gonna be one-handed.
My omelette.
Since there's no school, I'm making special omelets for the family, and they're coming out extra wonderful. Why are these coming out so well? I'll just go over what I did. Who knows? Then maybe that'll help me remember. If you make good omelets, better than this or not better, or they've come out good or not, post below. So this is one egg from our chickens. The New Hampshire Red, Buff Brahma, the Black Australorp, and the Barred Plymouth Rock. So, one egg with a little cream, literally from a farm. So we got a chicken egg from great chickens who eat really good chicken feed and our compost, all our food waste that's not chicken, of course. We don't want to raise cannibals. One egg, little cream in a cast iron pan with a little olive oil, and I got the pan hot. Turned up the stove to high, got the pan hot, dropped the egg in, turn off the heat, and then I do this a lot. Peppers not cooked. I tried cooking the peppers, they get too wet. A little pepper, a little salt, 4 slices of Monterey Jack. I used olive oil instead of butter just to see how it tasted with the cheese and peppers. It seems to work and taste better than butter. Now let's flip it. See how we're doing. Ooh. Okay, ready? It's gonna be one-handed. Oh, did I do it perfect? Almost. Oh, just about perfect. Taking off the heat. I just happen to have some cilantro. How's that gonna look? Kind of frou-frou. I don't like it. I held back a few of the peppers. But you can just throw on there for some color. And then very old standard parsley from a spice bottle. Doesn't have much taste. Doesn't taste bad though and looks great. Look at that omelet. Oh, it's hard one-handed. Get out of here, cilantro.
My omelette.
Oh yeah.
Does it have cheese?
It does have cheese, and the red peppers should be a little sweet and crunchy. Do you like it? Do you like it? Look at that. Sometimes I just get the cast iron pans right. Sometimes I don't. Today was a great omelet morning and a great cast iron no stick pan morning.